The gardenista, she's a beasta from the north, south, west, and easter. Growing gourds, veggies, flowers, and herbs. Grow your own garden, y'all, spread the word. Visiting gardens all across the land. Let's grow together, y'all, that's the plan. Yeah, I get it, you don't know what to do with fresh produce. Don't sweat it, cause she gonna show you that too. Can you dig it? She knew that you could. Now stick around for a second, find out what's good. The gardenista. Can you dig it? The gardenista. Can you dig it?
Hey, what's up? It's Adrienne Denise, aka The Gardenista, aka Delight, and Let's Talk 30. Okay, so I'm relaunching my YouTube channel because now is the time. Like, I started my channel years ago because I had dreams of having my own garden show. You can see from some of my first posts, I've been doing this for some time, but now I've perfected it. Back then, just like now, I started it because I love gardening so much and I want everybody to know how cool it is. Someone helped me start my very first garden. In fact, I had no involvement outside of eating tomatoes and cilantro, which I fell in love with and had to have from that point on. Shortly after I purchased my first home, I was so lucky it had a blank canvas, so I was able to exercise my obsession all over this yard, and I did. And that's the journey I'm gonna take you on. This was the first garden I built all by myself, and it felt like such an accomplishment. I started each section at a time, learning as I grew. I even tried my hand at a compost heap, and that evolved. With each square in each garden, my obsession grew more and more. In any space that I encountered, I had to turn it into my own little dreamland. So after a few successful gardens and landscape projects, I declared myself the gardenista. And gardening became for me the first thing in life that I loved so much. I wanted to become an expert at, and I was so excited about that. So I enrolled in NC State's horticulture certification program. And at 40 years old, after being a junior college dropout, I paid my own way through school and graduated with a 3.5. Now, by graduation, my love and obsession was at like top tier. I was a mini expert with everything. I had learned so much about growing, landscaping, trees, viticulture, and more. NC State had the best program ever. The knowledge had me so gassed, I even got the formula for photosynthesis tattooed on my arm. Water plus light plus carbon dioxide equals life. Photosynthesis is what we live off of. But anyway, during my time in school, I volunteered with Greensboro Parks and Rec to have hands-on experience and work alongside experts. And it was so awesome. I learned to spot plants among weeds, see beauty amongst chaos. Those guys really helped me sharpen my skills. So if you're obsessed with growing like me, you're gonna enjoy this channel. And if you're new to gardening, then you're gonna learn a lot. And if you've ever had an inkling of a thought that you may wanna start your own garden, I'm gonna get you growing.
Here it is, almost 365 degrees, almost 365 days later, and my yard is a wonderland. It's come so far, never could have imagined.
So yeah, crazy, right? And my gardening love goes deeper than just vegetables. I grow gourds, I craft them, I create beautiful spaces amongst growing. We'll get into that and a whole bunch of other stuff. Everything horticulture, I got you right here. And ooh, one of my mentors from the Parks and Rec, who knew I liked to travel, insisted that anywhere I visit, I had to go visit the garden. And I've done that too, internationally and all. And I'm taking you with me. So settle in and enjoy my garden experience with me. If you like what you saw today, please like the video, leave a comment, be nice, and subscribe to my channel and tell a friend. Don't deny the little purple-haired girl. Plus, you can get more of who I am and what I do on Facebook at Can You Dig It and at The Gardenista, no space, on Instagram. I'm Adrienne Denise, and that's the dirt. Toodles.